Today, we will learn about how to pick the right coins to invest in, finding the best possible entries. We will cover many subjects: how to find interest areas, how to find inner point of interest, how to make investments, how to build positions over time. So much to cover. If you're ready, let's do it. First of all, I apologize for my voice. I have been sick all this week, not able to trade so much. Now, before learning, picking any asset or coin to trade, if anyone tells you this coin will do x100 or x1000, this is the moment you must run immediately. If I knew such a thing beforehand, I would be the richest person alive. I would trade them all myself. So, can you make money by picking the right asset or right coins to invest in? Yes, you can. I have been doing it for many years to generate extra income for myself. First of all, time frames. If you are investing in anything, you must be looking from a higher perspective as much as possible. A combination of monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and a daily time frame can achieve so much for your entry decision. You can also use hourly charts to make sniper entries, which requires extra effort, which is not the subject of this video, maybe later. As you know, investing anything requires upwards momentum. One of the biggest mistakes most investors do, trying to catch a falling knife. If the price drops very sharply, leaving behind giant imbalances, large candlesticks, there is a heavy sale there. You are basically fighting against the flow. No one knows how much this price will keep falling. On the other hand, upward momentum is very obvious. Price significantly increasing, large imbalances behind, pushing itself by using imbalances. It is so obvious that there is trend here, a huge interest. Remember, you must try to join the ongoing upflow, not to the downflow. So, how do we do that? In my opinion and years of practice, weekly and monthly imbalances are very critical in investing decisions. During upflow and up momentum, slow and steady pullbacks to those imbalances, giving us crazy investment opportunities. These are great areas to seek entries. This brings us to the next question. How do we invest our money? For example, you decided that you will invest $100 for every cryptocurrency. How to invest this? I made the same mistake in my beginner years, entering stocks with my whole capital and praying to God the stocks will go up. But time is the biggest teacher. Whatever your capital is, it does not matter. You must separate into small chunks and periodically enter. Basically, dollar cost averaging. This is a very simple and old method, but still today it works perfectly. So, what is the idea here? First of all, you have determined your possible entry areas through weekly or monthly imbalance and set your alarms. Now, waiting for the price to come back to those areas and building your position. Once the price hits your weekly and daily imbalances, open your daily chart and mark your daily imbalances and periodically enter with the right times until you build your full position. What I teach you here is extremely simple methods of investing. I want to keep it simple as much as possible. Let's see a couple of examples. Let's check this NIR chart. On the weekly time frame, I heavily invested in NIR. Notice this giant weekly imbalance right here. which is great. What else do we have here? A massive support and resistance flip area. I already knew that this was my overall area of interest before buying the coin. Let's switch to the daily chart to do more brainstorming. Notice this daily imbalance right here. A great point to make your first partial investment, placing your first $25. Price pullback deeper. Nice. Another daily imbalance that we may consider, making our second partial entry right here. Now the price is going in your favor. Momentum is up. You notice another imbalance here. Price pullback and fires up. A great place for making another entry. Remember, we are investing, not trading. So there is no stop loss. You must be ready to hold the investment for weeks, months, or even years. This is what an investing is. Let's see the IOTA, a coin that I loved investing, made a great cash out of it. Checking the weekly chart again, this giant imbalance has already caught my eye, and this overall support and resistance area, as you can see. But furthermore, these equal highs at top. I knew as my name, price was going to top and take out those equal highs one day soon. As you can see, this is a weekly chart, which is no difference from the 1-minute charts I am trading. You've watched hundreds of my videos. Do you see any difference? I apply 100% same price action methods for investing, swing trading, day trading, or micro scalping. I use 100% the same methods. Now, let's check the daily chart. Notice this giant daily imbalance. I think this is a great place to throw a partial here, first $25. As you can see, I am not teaching you precision or mastery of investing. I am teaching you extremely simple way of investing, yet you can still make good money. Then the price goes down to deeper imbalance, throwing your second partial here. Then the price flies, starting to the journey take out weekly equal highs above. You miss this tiny imbalance here to enter. You do not have to be extremely specific to enter. You can join the rally later on. Because you know that price has a clear direction. Remember, you are investing. No precision, just building a position here. AVAX, one of the most popular coins. You can notice the very powerful up momentum on this coin. Look at these giant green candlesticks with very large weekly imbalances. It is also supported by great SR flip areas. So all these give you an area of interest to build your positions as an investor. Remember, you are not in a rush. You wait for the price to come to you like a hunter. Wait for your prey and keep biting it when the time is right. Now switch to the daily chart. Notice these areas of daily imbalance and support and resistance flip connects. A great point to enter your first partial. Then the price no longer goes down, gaining momentum again, creating new daily imbalances. One thing I saw many times, people are afraid of adding to winning positions. If the price is going in your favor, keep making new imbalances. All those areas, great places to add your position. Remember, momentum and the global aspect is with you. What to be afraid of? I am personally very afraid of being not invested. All my money is invested. Real estate, golds, stocks, crypto, funds. I almost never stay in cash. Cash is not the king. So, I hope this video enlightens you on investing. It is a short and simple video, but watch it a couple of times. All your investing habits will change. See you in the next video, friends. Take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.